Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a leave letter by teacher. What is a leave letter by teacher? A leave letter is a type of formal letter which is written by teachers to take permission for absence. It is a formal way of seeking permission for a break or leave from your workplace, which is school. Taking leave without any intimation might end up being a trouble for both you and your colleagues. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a leave letter by teacher step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date today. In this case is November 30th, 2023. And then, write the full name of the principal or headmaster. In this case is Severus Snape. And write the title or position, and also the name of the school. In this case is Howard School. After that, write the address. You need to mention the city, state, and the zip code. And you can open the letter with Dear Sir or Dear Madam or Dear Mr. or Ms. followed by the principal name. In the body of the letter, write the reason why you are writing this leave letter. You can mention that you feel not well or have disease or something. Or, you may mention other reasons. In this example, the teacher has to take care of his old parents. He needs to bring them to take regular medical checkups at hospital. Of course, you need to write the details why you cannot attend the school. You may write you need to take bed rest if the reason you write this is because you are sick. It is also important to mention the doctor's note about this disease. If it is you who are sick, attach the doctor's note. As it is your parents, you don't have to. You need to mention how many days you will be absent. And write the date you start to absent and the ending date as well. In the closing paragraph, write your hope that the principal grant you days off. And say thank you to close the letter. Now, write sincerely at the end of the letter. Give your signature and full name. And write what teacher you are, in this case is English teacher. So, that's how you write a leave letter by teacher. I hope this video helpful for you. See you.